Y'all, I woke up today and I have an eye appointment on Wednesday, and I'm actually on my way to go get Kylie from the bus stop today. I know my hand's in the way. I definitely need to put my stand in here and set my camera up because I'm really tripping. So today's video, I'm going to be literally dyeing my hair because I've been looking a hot mess. You feel me? Not a hot, but a hot mess. Literally. At 3:25, and her bus usually gets to the bus stop by like 3:50 or so. So that's where I'm about to go, to the bus stop to get her. And so maybe my phone will stay right there while I'm going to get her. So tonight I'm going to be doing my hair. I'm doing this inspiration from a friend, two friends that I know. And I want to recreate the color that she did on the other friend's hair. So y'all will see in the video that I'm doing, but literally that's what I'm gonna be doing tonight. And I'm making shrimp and beef tacos. Well, put your seatbelt on. You had a great day?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good.
What'd you do today?
We had math for the first time.
Oh yeah? You feel like you learned a lot?
Yeah.
Alright. So we are going to Dollar Tree so we can get stuff for our mani and pedi that we're gonna do. I'm gonna show y'all how I finesse it, okay? How you can have bomb nails on a budget. Be careful.
Okay.
So we just got date night stuff and stuff for Mila's birthday tomorrow. I would put myself on camera, but I don't want you guys to see my hair yet because I haven't finished it, which we're finna drop Kylie off and then we're gonna head back to
the
house to do date night. So we'll see you on the road there. So tonight is date night and we got tacos. We got the wine. It's kind of dark, y'all. We got the wine. And I done got a dress for date night. Yes, I did. So, yeah. If I don't see y'all tonight, I'll see y'all in the morning. What's up, y'all? Today is Saturday, and last night was date night. So, I didn't really record anything after the video I made last night, but Today, I'm going to be finishing doing my hair. By the time you see this video, I'll have 2 videos up on Sunday. So it'll be the hair coloring video, and then it'll be my weekly vlog, which this is my very first vlog, so I'm just getting the hang of things. Today we are going to be probably making some spaghetti for dinner, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make my spaghetti. I might or might not make spaghetti, just depending on how productive I am today. But in the next few weeks, I do want to show you guys like my skincare line and what I'm coming out with, and, you know, helping young entrepreneurs with their business ideas. So I want to do that. And yeah, so on the phone with Giselle Cartier, so go check out my best friend's YouTube. We just be on here kicking it, doing vlogs, and y'all seen my little mess I made on my desk. But I'll catch you guys later on today and show you guys how my hair turned out. And yeah, y'all, the food was so good that I didn't even vlog, but my husband brought me poussins and it was delicious. What is up, y'all? It is 7:02. I have about 45 minutes to go shopping at Marshall's for Mila tomorrow. I know it's last minute. I just didn't know what to get her at all, or what to do for her party. Like, what do you get a kid that you get so much on a daily basis? But it is her birthday party tomorrow. We're just having a little small kickback, especially with everything going on. Like, to be honest, I just did not plan how I should. And I feel like it's like that on every birthday party. Like, I'm constantly stressed out about birthdays, and I just don't want to be stressed out. Like, we're here to have a good time and enjoy ourselves, and for Mila to enjoy her second birthday party. It is literally 10:53, and it is the night before Mila's birthday party. Sorry if y'all hear anything in the background. It's the TV going on. Mila's about to go to bed. She went to bed early and is literally up. Press pause on that real quick. Literally up, need to be asleep. But I just want to show y'all my food before I dive in, and then I'm going to put Mila in the bath, and then I'm going to dye my hair, bleach this head again, and then that'll be my last thing, and then I'm definitely going to catch some Z's. So I'll see y'all. Good morning, you guys. I fell asleep last night and I was supposed to do my hair, make the video. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. So I did end up finishing my hair, and this is what it looks like in the sun.